Hey YouTube, drdecks here. Well, we're week 3 without DJ Studio Man, so I think we ran out of content, and I'm just trying to give you guys a little bit of the job site feel for what I go through every day. So I hope you've been enjoying those new uploads. And we got our approved final inspection today. Everything went good. Inspector was actually really impressed with our work. She really liked it. Thank you to the City of University Place for that. But I wanted to show you guys this railing and why I choose it. Because the night effect is so incredible. And I'd call this twilight. It's dusk. It's starting to get dark. And this stuff really comes to light. And I don't know. I know there's other systems out there. There's other glass systems. There's other systems that light up. But I'm very particular to this one, because it really shines in the dark. So I think what I'll do is I'll put up a short later on of how I feel about this, and from a drone. So I got my drone all set up. It's ready to go. And I'm just waiting for it to get dark now. So just thought I'd give you guys a little bit of what it looks like before we're finished, or before it gets dark. Nice twilight look. Everything's glowing up real good. So don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't. If you learned something, or if you like the way we're doing this, leave a comment below, and I'll try to get back to you in a timely fashion. And also, I know I've said this before, but this piece is getting replaced. It was just so we could get our final. I could actually take it down right now if I wanted to, but, you know, some kid might decide to walk through here and then jump off or something, so we'll just leave it up there until we get our glass. That's all I got for you, man. Have a good night. Over and out.